Hi everyone, this is Christian from Universal Retail Systems with another helpful guide. Today's video will cover the basics of the Er-900 series cash register. Before we start, you will need paper for your register and some keys, both of which are included with your register. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. First, let's look at the register. At the rear of the register, there will be some ports. We will only worry about the serial port. Connect your scanner to the open serial port 1. Each port must be programmed to work with a scanner, and if the register is bought from us, we program port 1 to work with the scanner. Only specific scanners can work with this register. Let's move on to the printers. Lift the plastic cover to reveal the receipt printer and the journal printer. If your printer is empty, please insert the paper now. Look for the green latch and pull it upwards towards the top of the register. The printer will now open. Place the paper and make sure that the paper feeds under and outwards towards you. Hold a piece of the receipt paper and close the printer by pressing down until you hear or feel a click. Now for the journal printer. You should see a roller near the rear. Insert a slot of paper into the roller and make sure it tightens by rolling so that the paper has no slack. Now feed the paper through the slot of the printer cover and close the lid on the register. Only the receipt paper or the printer on the left should stick out. The journal printer will give you a journal of the transaction. You can always change the paper at any time. Next, let's locate the power cable and plug it in. Next to the power cable, you will see a switch. This is the power switch. Flip it on and your machine will start up. You should hear the printers make a noise and the screen may turn on, then off. At this moment, your screen will go dark. Grab the access keys and look for the one with a P. This key will give us access all the way to the PGM slot. Please use this key only for yourself, the owner of the machine. There are no free replacements for lost keys, so be sure to keep them safe. Turning the key to Reg will set the register to register mode. This will be how you make sales and transactions. To sign in, on the top right corner will be the clerk key. If you have more than one clerk programmed, you can go ahead and enter the number on the number pad and then press clerk. So if we are clerk 7, we can press 7 and then press clerk. To sign out, simply press on 0, then press clerk, and the register will read as closed. You can also remove the key in this position. Next is the X position. This mode allows for reports to be taken out. After that is the Z position. This is used for the end of day report.